traveling, sending money abroad, or just shopping online from a foreign retailer. At some point, you'll need to deal with currency exchange. And if you're a Westpac customer, you're probably wondering what it's going to cost you. So, how much does Westpac charge for currency exchange? The answer isn't a single number. It depends on what you're doing, and with what product. First, let's look at international money transfers. If you're sending money to another country, Westpac's fees can vary. If you use their online banking or the Westpac app to send a transfer in a foreign currency, there's no transfer fee. However, if you're sending in Australian dollars, there's a $20 fee. And if you go into a branch, that jumps to a $32 fee. But wait, there's more. The transfer fee is just one part of the cost. The other, and often more significant part, is the exchange rate markup. Like most banks, Westpac adds a margin to the mid-market exchange rate. This means the rate you get is less favorable than the actual rate on the market. This markup is where banks make a good portion of their money on currency exchange, and it can be a substantial hidden cost. Now, what about using your card overseas? If you're traveling and using your Westpac credit or debit card for transactions, you'll be charged a foreign currency fee. For most personal cards, this is a percentage of the transaction amount. For credit and debit cards, it's typically around 1.95% to 3% of the transaction value. So, a $100 purchase could cost you an extra few dollars just in fees. If you're receiving money from overseas, Westpac also has a fee for that. They charge a processing fee, which can be around $12 for inbound international transfers. This fee can be waived for smaller amounts, but it's another cost to consider. And finally, if you're a business customer, the fees might be different. They have their own set of rates and charges for international trade and transactions. So, Westpac charges for currency exchange through a combination of flat transfer fees, a markup on the exchange rate, and a foreign currency fee when using your card abroad. To get a precise number for your specific situation, it's always best to check Westpac's currency converter on their website or app, as rates and fees are subject to change.